the reality of it stays. Like ऐसा नहीं होगा कि oh Ferrari will be crazy. Ferrari इस साल जैसा है ना वैसा ही रहेगा.
Magnussen is and will always be stupid. Magnussen is and will always be stupid.
I did it. Shaz.
What is?
Shaz.
Obviously. Next segment is called F1 Tinder. So you either swipe right or you either swipe left.
Yes, guys, 2-0.
Maybe 2018-19 Lewis Hamilton at his prime in a Ferrari. Any Ferrari? That's a great question.
If you told Max that he's not gonna get championship points if he wins a race, would he really fight enough to win the race?
Alright guys, as you all know, we didn't have a race weekend, but we've got together to shoot something fun and try and bring some entertainment in the scene of F1 for all you guys. Himika is here. We planned some games, some of which I'm aware about, some of which she isn't aware about,
All
and
of
some
which
of
I'm
which
not aware
the
about.
team has planned. Alright. Himika, how are you feeling today?
Great. Are we gonna win prizes?
Uh,
We should know. We ideally should. See,
that's a great question.
if you told Max that he's not gonna get championship points if he wins a race, would he really fight enough to win the race?
Before we start, let me ask you, what do you want first as a prize?
I don't know, man. Like some merch would be great.
See, it depends if you're keeping points or no. But I
We
don't
should
think so
keep
anyone
points.
is.
Every right answer should get a point, and in the end, whoever has most points will get something. That's fair, right?
What I'm saying is, it's
Yeah.
not a quiz ki right or wrong hai.
अच्छा.
That's the problem.
तो
That's
क्या
why
है
I'm
फिर?
Arey, it's like
Okay, we'll figure out as we go, guys, because मुझे भी नहीं पता. Only his talent knows and only the team knows. So both of us, we don't know. So as we go forward, he'll be explaining everything to us.
yeah,
Right?
we'll decide if you want to give points. if
No,
you
we
wanna
should give points because I should get something.
Take it, chal. To start off with,
Darren is done with me.
to start off with, our first segment is
Yeah.
start one, bench one, drop one.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, it could be a driver, it could be a team. You either start one, you either bench one, or you drop one.
Okay, perfect.
Pick a chip.
Okay, so this is no points, right?
Exactly,
This
this is
is no
no
points. This
points.
one is, but we'll have some with points,
Some,
right?
some.
Okay. Why did I pick yellow? I don't even like yellow. Okay, no.
What is it?
Liam Lawson, Yuki Tsunoda, Isaac Hajar. Bench one,
Start one, bench one, drop one.
drop Liam.
Okay.
Easy. Bench Yuki, and start Isaac. This was easy as fuck. Yeah, for sure.
But if you want, you can give us a little explanation as to why you're choosing.
Dude, Isaac is definitely one of the better rookies. Liam just plays like, you guys are tired of me saying this, but Liam is just playing bumpy cars on a F1 track every race. And between Yuki and Isaac, I think I would give some, even though we haven't seen Isaac in a Red Bull yet, which I really hope doesn't happen this season, I would still want to give Isaac a better chance because it's his first season. He's already doing so much better. Yuki's been here for 6-7 seasons. He's fine. So, yeah.
Okay.
That's my
I'm going
point.
for mine.
Okay.
Oscar Piastri, Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton.
Damn, it's tough.
I was
Thank
hoping
God
you
I
get this
didn't pick.
one, dude.
Thank God I didn't pick.
Oh God.
Perfect.
This is
Get
very
ready.
difficult, dude.
Get
Lewis
ready to
Hamilton is
be-
my man.
Get ready to be railed by everybody in the comment section.
Yeah. How do I bench a player here?
With your words. I think that's the game. You guys add that, that
Spot
ting,
pe
ting,
dal diya
one
yaar.
eternity later wala meme. Go on.
Okay.
Okay, let's
See,
make it
I-
easy.
I have-
Let's
I have
make
a.
it easy for you. Who do you want to bench out of these three?
It's difficult. That's the only
Who's-
problem.
Who's the first name you said?
Oscar Piastri, Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton.
Tough.
I'm going to give a lot of respect to the GOATs, right? I'm going to start with Lewis Hamilton. We're going to bench Max Verstappen and we're going to drop Oscar Piastri only because we want to show some respect to the GOATs. It's a very difficult
But the
choice.
respect
I
is
don't know
not
who
gonna
could I
win
stop.
Make you win the race.
I
Acha,
think
but
Lewis
it's your
Hamilton
opinion.
can win. What I'm saying
if
is
like
he's a
one
champion
car
driver.
starts the race, then yes.
Yeah,
he
maybe
will win.
I'd put him in a different car.
There's no in that. Oh my God, you guys, this is bad. I'm gonna pick a blue since you picked a blue.
ऐसा नहीं है कि blue is like tough and this is like.
I just don't want you to cry. Mercedes, Ferrari, Williams. Drop Ferrari. Wow, that was quick. Okay,
Dude,
fair.
Williams is in it and you dropped.
Yeah.
Sure.
I drop Ferrari. Yes. Actually, wait.
One eternity later.
Come on.
I
Now
will-
wants to tick 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 tick.
I
tick.
will start with Williams. I will start with Williams. I will bench Mercedes and I will drop Ferrari.
I'm just gonna repeat the same line again. She mentioned
Yeah.
sometime back. You gotta win the race.
Yeah, I
After this,
know.
You know, na?
But if like Lewis is driving, then with the Williams I can win as well, right?
But you only
Mike
said
kahin gir gaya.
you only said na ki shayad maybe
But I
not.
think honestly, I am talking about what everybody is in, like the zone they are in right now, and the
But you think
like and the prime that everybody is. That yes, Ferrari still has a team which you can't fully rely on. Mercedes still has a driver which you can't fully rely on, and also Mercedes has been having a lot of DNF issues. So if I see the last 3 races out of these 3 teams, Williams is the one who's constantly been in points and doing well. So yeah,
good choice.
I know always.
These are done, na?
Yeah, these are done. These are done. These are done.
Ah, man. George Russell, Charles,
Ben George.
Fernando Alonso.
Ben George. No, drop him. Drop this dude.
See, Fernando has been a little unlucky.
Yeah,
Alonso.
so
So
drop
I'll try and, drop him.
Yeah.
I will start with Charles
Yeah.
and I will bench George.
You're
I think
just
this makes a
This is just
proper,
a Ferrari fan.
This is a
just-
proper, nice answer, sweet answer.
now, guys.
It's the spot.
From now
listen
on,
to her.
from now on, I will just answer Stalin's question for himself because he's just being Ferrari fan. He's not looking at anything else. Like, Ferrari.
They
mera
know I'm not a
Ferrari."
Ferrari fan. I'm a Lewis Hamilton fan. I mentioned that a
But
billion
why
times.
did you start Charles? Then?
Because I think he's fast among the three.
Yeah, I don't want to play this team one. Yeah.
Arey, yeah, come on, yeah.
VCAP, Williams, Alpine. Can I bench?
Why are you getting all the team ones?
I don't know, man.
ठीक है.
Wait, can I bench all three?
No, you can't.
I will drop Alpine.
Okay.
I will start with Williams still.
Mm.
And I will bench VCAP. Because VCAP has one driver that you can't
Yeah, Liam
rely
Lawson.
on.
You would have gone for Haja, I know.
Yeah, any day.
Yeah, but I think that's a good choice.
Always.
Good choice. Yeah. Let's
I'm
see
gonna take
what's
the
in
yellow
this.
now. Screw your greens.
It's innocent. Red Bull,
hate him.
McLaren.
Oh, you got a team.
That's why. That's what I'm
Then
saying.
it's okay.
Red Bull, McLaren, Mercedes.
Oh, tough. No, actually not tough. Very easy, in fact.
I would start with McLaren.
Thank fucking God.
I would bench Red Bull, and I'd drop Mercedes.
Easy choice. Easy choice. Good job.
Nice one,
I'll
guys.
take my yellow because that's what I like. Luis, Carlos, and Charles.
Lewis, Carlos, Charles. Ooh. One is ex-Ferrari and the other two are in Ferrari right now.
Okay,
Interesting.
guys, I just wanna before I give my answers and you guys go, I just wanna say.
ऐसे justification नहीं चलेंगे
नहीं
भाई. पहले तो
मैं
pick कर.
justify नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं बस ये बता रही हूँ कि the all the answers I've chosen based on how every team and every driver is performing at the moment. This has nothing to do with who's the goat, who's the sheep, who's the crow. It has nothing to do with anything. This is just as per right
चलेगा.
now.
Perspective के ऊपर है ना.
I want to start with Charles Leclerc because out of the three, he's the only one with podiums this year. Then we have Carlos, and I'm going to drop Lewis.
Why are you dropping Lewis? If I
Because
can
he's
ask.
not in his form.
ठीक है.
He's not. He's still going to.
I showed respect, guys, because
Yeah, but this is not a game of respect, is it? This is a game of.
we are.
vanity.
Arey, there is no debate only. It's just
Just
normal
because he's a fan,
conversation.
yaar. He's like, yeah.
ठीक है चल. I've got Piastri. Wow. Daniel Ricciardo is in there.
वो तो dropped ही already.
Or Lando Norris.
Oh damn! I think it's an easy answer though. It's a very easy answer. Come on, it's a very easy answer.
Yeah, I think I would start with Piastri. I would want to
Definitely.
drop Lando though and actually
What?
bench Daniel.
Just because I dropped Lewis, fine.
No,
fine
it's-
by me.
No, can I give my can I give my answer?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, I think Piastri is doing really well right
Of
now.
course,
so
I would give you
definitely.
that, yeah.
I somehow feel if Ricardo were given a chance in the current McLaren car, he would have maybe performed better than Lando. Maybe. I don't know. So I just want to give him the benefit of the doubt, and that's the reason I would bench him as my second driver. And Lando, he's doing really well. There's nothing against him, but I would just prefer to see Daniel back racing. And, that's the only thing.
If my mom
We don't
had,
want any other answers.
if my
चलो
mom had balls, she'd be my dad.
ये तो कट होने वाला है भाई.
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स तू कट ही तो करेगा मेरी चीजें कट हुई जा रही हैं ओके दिस इज डन
All right, first
guys,
segment done and
wait,
dusted. Himika
wait.
has some closing statements.
Yeah, before we go off, you guys should comment and tell us who gave better answers in this because this guy has just given the most all answers ever.
How can you
he
decide-
He benched Lando Norris. He dropped him.
How can you decide who's given bad answers?
Okay,
If
you
she
guys
can
vote
bench
now.
Lewis Hamilton, we can bench Lando Norris. Simple as that.
तुम वोट कर लो
हाँ.
कर लो कोई बात नहीं
Yeah.
guys vote.
Let's see what you guys think in the comments. Okay? Okay, we're playing our next segment, which is called What If. So it's basically like a hypothetical scenario that what if XYZ happens, what would be the case? And it's left to.
Oh, that's
you know, whatever.
interesting.
Come.
You start this one because I started the last one. I'm nice like that.
You like yellow, right?
Yeah.
So I'll take it.
Okay.
Okay. Wow. What if Daniel Ricciardo were a 2025 F1 driver for McLaren? Just what I said.
Oh wow. Yeah. What if then?
I'm not sure if he'd be at the
Do you
top
think
of the
he'd
grade.
be better than Piastri?
No, I don't think so. It'd be better than
Do you
Piastri.
think
I
he'd be
think,
better than Lando?
yeah, maybe. I want to give him the benefit of the doubt. I at least think he would be competing in the top 5 with the car that they have. McLaren with the car that they have. Ricardo, the kind of person that he is, always wants to prove himself or wanted to prove himself. I think if given a chance this year in a McLaren 2025 with that car, he would be on at least in front of the grid, top 5. That's what I feel.
No comment. Zero comment.
ठीक है
here.
ना, चल,
Man
देखते।
was in VCAB last
देखते ना,
year.
देखते यार।
Man was in VCAB
It's
last
okay.
year, yeah.
VCAB is VCAB, yaar. Years change, cars change, things
I
happen.
will take Williams color for me.
We've taken 2.
One.
Okay.
What if Toto was the team principal of Red Bull Racing?
Ooh, that's good.
If Toto was the
Shit,
team
I can't
principal of
imagine
Red
Toto
Bull
in a
Racing.
different color only. I've
Yeah.
only seen him in white.
Okay, if Toto was in Red Bull Racing, firstly, I don't think Checo would have lost his seat because
Okay.
last year when because last year when Checo was crying about the car, Toto was the only one who had it printed out. So I'm trying to,
That is a good one. That is a very good one.
So I think firstly, Checo might still be in the team. Actually, it's hard, like you don't know how a principal can
Would
change
they
a team
would
because
would Red Bull have 7 world championships with another driver?
Oh, you're saying for what if he was the principal since the start?
I'm just saying it's a hypothetical
No,
situation.
wait. I'm okay. I am answering in a way. What if he became the team principal
okay.
now?
That way. ठीक
Because otherwise it's hard to go back and change history.
ठीक है.
Firstly, though, I don't think Checo would have lost his seat. I also don't think that Aston would be able to steal Andre. Fuck. What is his name?
Who?
Adrian, sorry, I was saying Adria. Yeah, I also don't think Red Bull would have lost and fuck Adrian. I also don't think Red Bull would have lost Adrian to Aston Martin because when it comes to Toto, he knows very well how to retain his people, which is why like Mercedes only lost most of their people once they started losing the championship. That also 2 years after that, not like. And Red Bull here lost constructors once and they won drivers and still Andrea left. So there's a possibility. But again, these are ifs. As Max said, if my mom had balls, she'd be my dad. But would Red Bull be able to win the Constructors' Championship this year? Still no, because McLaren is just a cut above the rest. So yeah, I don't think anything else changes after that. But yeah, Horner has done a lot of. I think Red Bull also lost a lot of credibility because of Horner's issue last year with the whole.
But that's not the reason why Toto would be there. But anyways,
No, I'm just saying that also pulled a lot of negative media image towards Red Bull, which would not have happened had Toto been there. So yeah, that's
Which is
pretty much
your
it.
favorite in this?
Take anything. You are wearing pink today, na? You do pink. You're my pinky.
But if I take that color, I get the very difficult one.
Oh, you already know, huh?
No.
See, I told you he knows.
I meant in a way. You said take yellow, I took yellow, and I got the difficult one. So you're saying take
Acha,
pink
like
if I
that.
take pink.
You take green or you take steak colors.
Misconceptions, guys.
You take steak colors, I'll take alpine color.
Oh, this is yours, yeah. What if Red Bull didn't exist? Where would Max be?
Great question though. Great freaking question.
Max. See, the only team, if Red Bull didn't exist right now, the only team that has a good car is McLaren.
No, but good
After
car has
McLaren,
nothing to do with
Mercedes.
it, na. देखना अभी इस
Yeah,
साल
I'm
हुआ
just
good
saying,
car.
So, I can see him anywhere, man, but I think maybe a Mercedes or a McLaren. Mercedes or a McLaren. Could be even Ferrari for that matter. But I think first preference would go to a Mercedes.
Yeah, even
Mercedes.
I think Mercedes.
Yeah.
I don't see McLaren because I feel McLaren का इस साल गाड़ी सही हुई है and Max has been driving since 2017 and that one car who was great in 2017 was Mercedes, so has to be Mercedes.
Last one, guys, for this segment.
Pinky. What if Sainz was racing for McLaren? Sainz has raced for McLaren. It's not like you know that, right?
Abhi.
Okay. Depends on who is the second driver that they have with
You
Sainz.
have two options, no?
If Sainz was racing for McLaren, then I'm just gonna change the thing into like, what if Sainz never left McLaren? You know?
No, but what if Sainz is racing now
wait.
for McLaren?
If
Say they
Sainz-
have Lando, they have Piastri.
I will. Hear me out. If Sainz had if Sainz, the only way for Sainz to be in McLaren right now would be if he hadn't left in like to join Ferrari, right? When Sainz and Lando were in McLaren, I think they were really good together. So I would still want to have Lando and Sainz together because they work really well in teams. They are both team players, and Sainz would be leading the championship right now.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
That's
a
my
very-
thought. That's my opinion. But yeah, that's because even when Sainz and Lando were always driving, it was always Sainz who got the first driver priority, at least at that point. But he was also like the senior driver. But it stays the same, right? Even if he's in the track right now, he's still more senior than Lando. So I would feel bad for Lando at that point because then he would never be able to be the first driver. Poor guy is still not the first driver at this point. But with Sainz, yeah, I think Sainz
I think
would
this
be
what if
leading.
question has turned into a brief answer.
Yeah. Well, this is it. That's
Okay.
it, guys.
Now, on that thought, we're going to the next segment, which you can't move your eyes, nor will I, okay? Because we can only listen to the audio. If we look at this screen, then you know. So,
Oh, so you're just playing. Okay.
yeah,
okay, got
so
it.
so
Yeah,
so so
I'm not
they'll
looking.
yeah. So they'll play the video. We try and guess as to who it is, and then we okay.
Do we do a buzzer? And
No,
whoever-
he'll
No, that is fine. But
You can pause now after every driver.
I'm saying that between us, who answers first? Whoever hits the buzzer, right?
There's no buzzer.
There has to be a buzzer. Come on.
Okay, let's try and do a sound.
Like
No, give me some sound. ये सब नहीं. Make some sound.
box.
So guys, we are going to guess the team radio. We're not looking on that side. Tumpreet,
Look at me.
Tumpreet is the one who has a control. We're
Yeah.
only going to listen.
Okay.
3.
Oh, I have a question.
हाँ.
We get to listen to replays of the sound?
No.
We should.
Okay, chal. Replay. Tumpreet, can you do the replay?
Okay, only
you
if we
can do
need it. Okay, let's go. Are you
Okay.
ready?
You can do anything. अबे इतना हवा में उड़ रहा है तू. देखते क्या करता है. देखा चल. 3. Hey, look here.
I'm looking
Okay,
at
okay.
pee.
3.
Okay,
Wait. Let me get ready first.
Yeah, I'm also ready. Yeah.
Ready. Okay.
Yeah.
3,
Lights out, away we go.
3,
guys.
2, 1.
What was that? He hit me.
Stop. ठीक है.
Hulkenberg.
Okay, चल.
Is it Hulkenberg?
What was that? He hit me.
Nico Hulkenberg. ठीक है, चल.
Correct.
You're right.
1-0.
Next. How are you so fast, dude? It's
हाँ,
one
हाँ,
love,
sound
one
बढ़ा
love,
दो.
one love.
Yeah.
Wait. How many chances do we get? 2? If I get my first one wrong, can I do the second one?
No, chance एक ही है ना.
ऐसा कैसे
Chance
यार?
एक ही, अगर गलत है तो गलत
अरे
है.
guess work तो दे यार, please.
नहीं.
Please. Please.
No.
Guys, then what is this?
This is the game. You get one answer. This is life. Okay, wait, once more.
Okay, वापस
I
play
can
कर
also
चल.
be wrong. It's fine.
वापस play कर.
I won't, but
Let me try.
I have.
Nothing he's can say.
Who is it?
Charles?
No, I don't think it's Shah. Wait, my turn. My turn. I'm gonna say it first. Now you have already given your answer. Can I replay? Can I hear the replay again, please?
Nothing he's can say can make that any better.
Charles?
Save it.
Danny?
Pause.
कौन है? She said Danny. कौन है?
Yeah, I'm wrong.
Who's it?
I don't.
चलेगा. Shruti give the next one. Ricardo.
I was right. Fuck yes, guys. 2-0. Let's go.
Magnussen is and will always be stupid.
I did it. Shaz.
What is?
It's Shaz.
Obviously.
Magnussen is and will always be stupid.
Okay.
You give me a fair chance to listen to the thing.
मैंने
Come
कुछ
on.
गलत किया है अभी बताओ.
No, I'm
also
just
listening
saying.
the
I'm just saying be a sport. Like because for me
Okay, so I will
it takes
not,
some time.
Okay, I will not hit the buzzer
Three
next time.
Three
You
love.
only hit it.
Chal, three
Okay.
love. Okay, next.
My tires are gone off. I'm heavier than a freaking boat. Guys, you need to be in a new car. We need a new car.
Go for it.
It's my guy, no?
Who is it?
Hamilton.
I don't know. Is it?
Is it?
Yeah!
I'm back. Woo!
My tires are gone off. I'm heavier than a freaking boat. Guys, you need to be in a new car. We need a new car.
ऐसे ही होगा guys अब. ऐसे ही जीतना पड़ेगा.
अरे सुन. अभी now I could hear it properly. ठीक है चल.
What? No, listen to me. What I said is going to be a two-stopper.
I go first. I don't know.
I'm just guessing it's Alonso. or
I also had a
Checo.
feeling it was Alonso. But I don't think it's Alonso. Wait. It's it.
Okay, you
That's
won't-
not his accent.
Take a guess.
Yeah.
Checo? No.
No, he will never scream on the radio like that. Is this Raikkonen?
Who does? Tumpreet? Oh.
Bottas abused on the radio?
Shit.
What? No, listen to me. What I said is going to be a two-stopper.
Crazy. Okay. Next.
Interesting.
Good one, Himika ji.
दोनों गलत. क्या बात?
I like this. 3-1. थोड़ा excitement. Stop बोलने के बाद हाँ.
What? Come on, this guy's the. Get out of the way.
Charles Leclerc.
ये चार्ल्स का कितना है बेस में?
Is it Charles?
What? Come on, this guy's the.
Duh. 4-1. Yeah.
Okay.
अच्छा.
GP2, engine. GP2.
Alonso. I think it's Alonso. I could be wrong.
Can you play it again, Tumpreet?
Yeah, I think it's Alonso.
Hmm?
Yeah, Alonso. What's your answer?
Take it away.
Is it Alonso?
GP2, engine. GP2.
4-1.
5-1.
एक
4-1
3
पहले
पे तो
था.
था.
इस पे Thank you. Cheaters, I tell you.
ठीक है चल one more. Next.
Up to Vettel. You can push harder. Push flat out.
Yeah, shut up.
Yuki.
This was the engineer that was talking.
Yeah, I know. It is Yuki's engineer.
भाई ये आया ही नहीं. Chance वो
Is it?
बंदे
Wait,
ने
who was it? Am I right? Am I right? Am I correct?
बंदे ने बात ही नहीं किया.
Push flat out.
Yeah, shut up.
Without listening to the driver, I heard the Max Verstappen. Is that you? Oh yeah, it's me. Thanks. 6-1. Yeah.
Weber, you pulled me in and ruined the race.
Max.
कौन सा था रेडियो? इसके
Second
पहले वाला
ना?
ये वाला?
What the fuck? What the fuck? वो था ना? Max.
Max.
मैं
ये
बोला.
बोला. 6-2. He said first. 6-2.
It's right ना?
Yeah, I think it's Max. Has to be Max.
Idiot. What idiot.
6-2.
Did you do?
Unacceptable. I cannot believe I'm coming at 320 and it...
Fernando.
Pierre Gasly.
Really?
Yeah. What's yours, guess?
I don't know. I don't know this.
Who is it, guys?
Did Unacceptable. I cannot believe I'm coming.
7-2.
Next.
Chalo, up next.
Nice paradise, like traffic paradise. What is this one?
Yuki.
Nice paradise, like traffic paradise. What is this one?
8-2.
भाई बंद करते हैं ये.
This is what you get with this. Honestly.
Charles.
Max.
Oh.
9-2.
This is what you get with this. Honestly.
5 तो मिल जाते यार.
Mein Gott, muss das sein? Wow.
Wait, I'm gonna make a
Science?
random. No, it's not science. Make
Rando
a
then
better
maybe.
guess. No. It is not anybody who's on the grid right now.
What
For
are you
sure.
saying?
For sure.
Nico.
No, Nico is on the grid right now. It's not Raikkonen. No, it's not. Can I hear it again, please?
I think you won, dude. बस हो गया. इज्जत का फालूदा हो गया.
रुक जा.
Mein Gott, muss das sein? Wow.
Don't say Daniel Ricciardo.
No. Wait.
Vettel.
Mein Gott, muss das sein? Wow.
Oh wow.
Random guess. Okay, I'm not gonna take
But
this.
I was right. No, take it. I was right about nobody in the grid right now. So chalo, I'll take that. 9-3. Chal.
Raikkonen. What a idiot.
रुक तो जा यार.
हो गया done. Russell. Is it Russell? You can make a
Sounds
guess.
like
too.
यार. नहीं है.
इधर देख.
रीसिंग नहीं है. अभी हो
ठीक
गया.
है.
रुक
हाँ,
जा, रुक
your
जा.
turn. Go for it.
वापस.
George
George
Russell. George Russell. अच्छा हो.
Oh, for a minute I was like, breathe. जा वापस.
Say it again. Play it again.
Raikkonen. What a idiot.
Max.
He's also wrong, right? Now we get another guess. Play it again. It's not
Max भी नहीं है.
It's not Max for sure.
Then it's Charles, dude.
अपना घर लगा सकती हूँ मैं इसमें.
Charles.
Can you play it again?
Charles है ना?
अरे रुक जा, I haven't guessed. Play it again.
अरे
then we'll
but
guess again.
yes है तो at least
Okay.
I can say
हाँ,
ना.
is it Charles, guys? It's not. Play. Now I can guess. You guessed your second one. Now it's my turn. It's a British driver. अरे मैंने जवाब नहीं दिया wrong. अरे रुक जा, मैं अपने आप से बात कर रही हूँ ना.
He knows but.
Wait.
अच्छा चल कंट्री का बता.
नहीं मत बता. मेरे को एक बार बस गैस कर लेने दो, फिर तुम अपना बता लेना कंट्री. He said Raikkonen is a fucking idiot. So definitely 2016 के बाद का है ये.
Raikkonen he said.
He said Raikkonen, yes. He's a what a fucking idiot.
Ricardo भी हो सकता है फिर.
I'm just gonna say Vettel for the fuck of it now. Montoya? है बहुत पुराना है ये. No wonder we didn't
चलेगा,
get it. It's
चलेगा.
fine. ठीक है.
Next.
Raikkonen. What a idiot.
अरे रुक जा, मैं जवाब दे रहा हूँ. Then you can listen to it again, right? अच्छा, you can.
Is this the engineer?
I know who it is. Go for it. Answer, and then I'll answer because I know who it is. I know who it is.
He's not stopped yet. He's not stopped yet था ना? Right? He's not stopped. हाँ, जो पहले वाला was engineer.
एक engineer है, एक driver है.
And the first one was engineer, right?
Yeah. I think I know who it is. I know who it is. Pressure. जल्दी बता.
एक मिनट यार. I'm just trying.
जल्दी
Dude.
बता. That is so annoyed.
I think it's science, dude. Is
Okay,
it?
can I answer now? It's Kimi Räikkönen.
So is he not stopped yet or?
Guys,
Guys, it is.
अरे खत्म होने वाला है. 10-2.
It is over for
अरे
me.
you can still come back यार.
No, yeah, 10-2 is
Alcaraz
like-
came back yesterday from 3 match points. You
बस
can
हो
come
गया यार.
back.
अब मेरा मन नहीं लग रहा है अभी.
This is so unfair. What do you mean?
You won. What else you want?
it'll be fun
I'm
now.
giving you the trophy.
अरे that I'll anyways get. That's
Merchandise
not the
चाहिए ना.
point.
बस हो
So
गया.
annoying.
10-2, guys. The point is she doesn't wait for me to listen. But okay, chal, she knows.
Guys,
She knows
एक
better.
second.
We'll give it to her.
एक
We'll give it to
second.
her.
Don't blame this on me.
We'll give
you
it to
guys
her.
changed the rule saying we'll do the radio, then you can do done. I did that, then also I won. Now you can't say that you don't let
We'll
me
give it to her.
listen.
Guys. We'll give it to her.
I will take it regardless because I have won.
Okay. Good.
अरे
High
खत्म
five.
तो करने दे यार.
High five तो दे यार.
I actually want to see who else do we have there. in the
That we'll
radio.
see after we finish. Chal, next. Okay, next.
Such a sore loser, man.
The next segment is called F1 Tinder. So you either swipe right or you either swipe left. If
Okay.
you agree, swipe right. If you don't agree, or if
Oh,
you like or
okay.
you don't like, whatever, it's up to you. Okay?
Okay,
So
got
it's a F1 Tinder, swipe right, swipe left.
Got it.
Okay, the options are here for you.
So you
also.
swipe right if you agree, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
I mean, agree, like.
Have you ever been on
it's
Tinder?
Tinder. We won't
Okay,
answer that
I
yet.
think that's a yes. Okay, got it.
Okay. Charles to Mercedes in 2026.
Big left. Actually, wait.
I wouldn't rule that option out.
I actually
For me, it's a
want
right.
to
For me, it's
see
a right.
Charles do a little better in life, and I think Mercedes could be an answer to that. So yeah, I will also go left. Hey, left is yes, right?
No. On whom will
I
you
am
swipe
not
right?
sure about Tinder. Never been on it.
Oh, that way.
Yeah, what
So
what is
swipe
left?
Right. Swipe right is it?
Right is yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So right, swipe right. Charles to Mercedes. I have no idea. पता नहीं भाई
Like, well,
कैसे
Google
होता
कर
है?
लेते भाई. You're confusing me,
यार
man.
क्या होता है? लेफ्ट यस होता है क्या? स्वाइप राइट यस होता है. अच्छा हाँ ठीक है.
पक्का ना?
टीपी को पता है.
Sprint races every weekend. I think swipe left.
I would say swipe right because see I know for the drivers it's not fun, but for
Yeah.
me it's a lot of fun, so I'll say swipe right.
Okay. Monza out of 2026.
No, left, man. Because
Yeah, left
these
for me
are all like
also.
OG tracks. You're just
Yeah.
getting rid of them for like basic tracks or throwing money at your face.
Piastri leaves McLaren in 26.
For? I'm going to swipe left based on the fact because this will never happen. Because Oscar is there to win championships, and right now the only car that can is McLaren.
I think I'll swipe right because you never know if there is another opportunity with all the cars being same, and if he does see.
But फिर वो 2027 में होगा.
Q.
The year, see, 2026 is when everybody is going to see how the cars are performing. That 1 year. Right now, nobody is going to a new.
ठीक है, but I'll still say.
You'll
Chalo,
go right. Yeah.
I'll go right.
As per me, that's what I think. The 27, there could be a possibility because like 26 is the new era of cars. But 26, I don't see it happening.
I can't read the next one.
What is it?
It says Lewis Hamilton retires end of 2025.
I don't think it's going to happen.
But
And-
it's a pure left, dude.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen. So
Left.
no, left. I think he's gonna
Left.
wait at least 1 more year with the new cars to see what it's going.
He should wait 2
Alonso
years.
retiring, like I always think Alonso will retire before
ये
Lewis.
सब question में नहीं है.
Acha, sorry, mom. Sorry, sir. गलती कर
Lewis Hamilton will win podiums in 2026.
26.
Swipe right.
26.
ले लो भाई swipe right.
26. Yeah,
जीतेगा
maybe,
यार,
yeah.
जीतेगा.
तू मेरा जवाब देगा?
हम दोनों साथ में दे रहे हैं
अच्छा,
ना. You also
love
get,
that.
I also get. I'm just trying to convince you कि
Yeah,
जीतेगा.
चल ठीक है, तेरी वजह दे दे. अच्छा, खुश दिया. कि दिया खुश रहे.
New rules will make the race boring next season.
Oh, this is a very good one.
I don't know to swipe right or
Should
left.
we actually talk a little bit about the new rules that are happening so that we
You
have
you can
something
shed
more?
some because I'm not so,
I'll-
but you can like whatever
So,
you have.
At the top of my head, the ones that I remember, the biggest one is no DRS next races, next season
Yeah,
at all.
that I know.
Which is sad.
Yeah.
But that also says that now the cars will have like it'll be easier for cars to like DRS. The reason they're removing DRS is because apparently they think that. Wait, let me just frame this properly. Give me a moment. Okay, number one is no DRS.
First, do you want to say? Are you swiping right or left?
No, I'm actually thinking. While I do this.
Okay.
No DRS does make it boring because then that extra speed is not there.
Yeah, we live for that.
Yeah. Secondly, the
You just did a
cars are
Muskan
gonna
just
get a
now.
little smaller and the tires are gonna get a little bigger. That might help us in races like Monaco, I'm thinking. So again, that would be a right. Number three, cars are going to get lighter next year, right? Or
Yeah.
heavier.
Lighter maybe. I don't know.
Are you maybe or are you sure?
I'm a maybe.
Can I check this one?
Please.
Oh, so now the rules that they are stopping this year about the movable wings and all are gonna come into play next year. So hence they don't have a DRS. So what is that? They are smaller, lighter cars which will help us with races like Monaco, only Monaco, and manual override boost. Instead of DRS, chasing cars within 1 second can trigger an MGU-K override for extra. Oh, interesting. Stronger crash structures, rule hoop, competitive landscapes, six engine manufacturers on the grid, new team, pre-season support, concerns. Wow, बहुत कुछ है. Historic rule shift. Okay, cool. I think I would disagree because next year it might just be more fun.
Swipe left.
Swipe left, yes.
Okay.
What was yours? Left, right?
What was it? Mine was left.
Yeah, na?
Yeah.
We are on the same page. I love that.
Max to Mercedes in 26.
Max to Mercedes in 26. कितना उड़ा लेंगे हम Mercedes?
I would swipe a right. I would like to see that happen. So mine is a right.
Dude, if you want to ask me about liking, I would rather see Max and Aston Martin because Newey is gonna design it next year.
But question ये है ना, Max.
ठीक है ना, मैं पूछ रही हूँ
तो
बस.
left to
गुस्सा
you
मत हो
either
just because
swipe.
you lost the game.
No, it's either swipe left or swipe right.
Okay, I'm just saying, yeah.
I'm just joking. Yeah.
They're being mean just because I won. This is like Max को boo
I'm
करते हैं
not,
ना
I'm
लोग.
not, I'm not.
जैसे Max को boo नहीं
I'm-
करते जब वो
I
जीत
just,
रहा होता है. यही
I'm
हो रहा है
someone
मेरे
who
साथ, guys.
I'm someone who wants to get the answer out. So I'm like,
I will give
you
you
give me
an
my
answer
answer.
regardless. I'm just giving you a maybe. Since you said I would like to see it, that's why I said it. Max to Mercedes,
left,
right.
right.
Why not?
Okay.
Why not?
Aston Martin in the top 5 in 26.
Yes. Swipe right.
Swipe right.
Yeah.
Me too, bro. I love the green.
Okay, can I ask you one?
Yeah.
Williams top 3 in
Definitely
26.
right. Definitely right. I
Let's
think they'll
go.
kill it, bro.
Swipe
This year
right.
only I was expecting
Swipe
them, but
right.
yeah, next
Fuck
year.
yes. Acha.
George Russell to Aston Martin in 26.
Swipe left. I know it's a rumor, it's going on. I just, for some reason, I just can't see George in an Aston. And I don't think Newey would like that. Because
Yeah.
Newey loves Max.
He's
and guess who
targeting at the
Max
big
doesn't
boys.
love?
George
Yeah.
Russell, yeah. I don't know. I think, yeah, swipe left for me also.
Left?
Yeah.
Love that.
Great, guys. Another segment is done. We're
Oh, it's
moving.
done?
Yeah, we're
Cool.
moving to.
We are actually on the same page almost.
Yeah,
when
almost,
it comes
almost.
to all of this.
Yeah.
Love that.
Just that she's a better player than me when it comes to the games. And
That's okay, but
a
the
little more
best part
competitive,
is
which
we
she didn't
will-
allow me to hear a few, which I already spoke about. But
Guys, you know the reality. They changed the fucking rules because I was winning so quickly. They changed the rules into being like, पहले पूरा सुन लेते हैं, फिर करेंगे. फिर भी नहीं कर पाए तो मेरी गलती नहीं है. I'm sorry.
let me just reframe that. Sometimes
Sure.
there are technical issues that come by, and because of the technical issues, you need to improvise on the spot.
Why don't you get a new
so
guest from
we
next time?
can't say that that's changing the rules.
That
right?
is changing
Sometimes
the
you got to
rules, right?
adjust. You got
Because
to.
initially he was like, you're not letting me listen because I would hear for 1 second and I would know who it is.
We are not. We're not discussing it.
But
Phil. It's fine.
thankfully,
It's
yeah,
fine.
of course we're
I
not
mean,
discussing it the moment I start talking.
See, winners
facts, right?
can accept, right? Losers will.
Loser will always keep crying, but it's fine. But on the brighter note for you, if we ever go out and we play a trivia, you will always be on my team, so you will win as
Yeah,
well.
that's true. That's
Yeah.
true.
Would you
I
ever
would always select
Would you ever want
so
to
that
be
I
in a
won't
different
win.
team?
No. The thing is, I need some time to process.
Go for
which is
it.
not happening.
Sure.
But okay. Okay. Overrated and underrated, right? We have a few. I think. What is this?
So, can you explain? Like by overrated, you mean?
So there are few incidents or some things maybe that will be given to us. We either give our perspective on is it underrated or is it overrated?
Like underrated in what sorts? Like underrated as in it did not get the
Currently,
attention
like, yeah, it didn't get the
deserved.
attention that it
Okay,
deserved.
got it, got
Yeah.
it, got it.
And overrated is like it's too
It
much
got
only.
too much
Yeah,
attention.
too much.
Fair enough. Okay, let's do it.
We'll start with
Lewis to
Ferrari as a team.
Yeah, I can't really call them overrated because the history that Ferrari holds is crazy.
Yeah.
So
They're not even underrated.
they're not even underrated because I mean everybody knows the history that
just
they have as a
think they're
team.
just there.
They are just rated.
Yeah, they're just
I can't
there.
pick a
They're just
side
there.
for this
ठीक
one.
है.
What do you
I
think?
think- I
Guys?
think same.
Guys, do you think Ferrari is underrated or overrated? Comment next.
2021 Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. I think it's underrated, bro. Still,
I think it's
it needs
overrated.
more attention.
No,
The
yeah.
last incident needs more attention.
Dude,
Who,
the
why,
guy-
what, when?
The guy
Everything needs
who
to be questioned.
literally- The guy who literally made that call lost his job. I don't know how much more attention you need on that fact.
But give him back
He
his
lost his-
championship, dude. Can you do that for him?
It was not his. Okay, never mind, guys. I think this moment is overrated. Let's start ruining it. Yeah. I would not say it's underrated. I would not say it was overrated. I would say it was like it got the attention it deserved. The people who did things that were not okay got the punishment for it. So I think it's quietly rated.
Perspective के ऊपर है. Hamilton switch.
Perspective नहीं, fan following के ऊपर है.
Hamilton switched to Ferrari.
Overrated.
Coming there.
Overrated.
I don't think it's overrated,
No,
dude.
you know, by overrated, I don't mean ki, oh, it was a fuck all move. I mean that the amount of attention it got, had Ferrari only used that attention ka money into developing a better car and a better engineer for Lewis, it would have been a better thing for him.
F1 is all about money. Those
Oh,
things
yes,
will come.
talent. Tell me
Those
more
things will
about
come.
F1.
But Hamilton going to Ferrari is. It has to be spoken
उसको
about. It has
बहुत
to be.
नहीं,
It's
but
like
he got
it's
so
like
much. Like everybody was fucking like this is the first F1 breaking that came out last year, and people didn't stop talking about it. But Ferrari didn't really monetize it. Is what I mean. Like Lewis Hamilton is a goat.
But
He's a
you're saying it was
7 times-
overrated, na?
Hear me out. It's a 7 times world champion. You are promoting, oh, he's coming to our team. At least give him something to come for. I am talking as somebody who supports Lewis right now. Hear me out. I'm not saying ki Lewis coming to Ferrari is a bad move. I'm saying the amount of attention Ferrari got for that, they didn't utilize it to give Lewis a better chance.
I'm saying we're going into too much details of it. Like right now we're talking about it.
But
The
हम podcast
idea
ही कर
here
रहे हैं
is
ना.
Hamilton switched to Ferrari, and that switch.
Overrated. Yeah, no,
It's
I'm
not overrated.
I'm
I
just
think
giving
it's
the
fair. Oh,
longer
ठीक है, but
answers.
I'm not arguing with you.
No, no, I'm just giving the longer answers because we also have the podcast. In the reel, we can just have the answers. I'm
ठीक है
saying.
ठीक है चलेगा.
I feel it was overrated because blah, too much drama.
Okay.
Yeah. it
Verstappen, Max Verstappen in a press.
Oh, it's underrated. That man has the best fucking answers for the media ever. I think underrated AF. What's yours?
I think it's just there. It's not overrated, it's not underrated, but I think, matlab, at some points he's funny for the media. At some point it gets a little too like, I'm not doing this kind of vibe, you know?
Do you remember that time when Max got the first time a driver got a penalty for swearing, and then Max just held his own press conference outside the thing?
Yeah.
I think that's the most underrated, like that's aura. Like nobody was there in that press conference because they all wanted Max to tell.
But I think people
them.
appreciate that.
That was
It
crazy.
was
I
spoken
loved
about
it.
quite a bit.
Yeah, that was like, that's why I think Max in press conference is underrated because that man is not scared of no one. So I love that.
I'll give it to you. And we are done with that segment.
Oh,
as
we
well.
are done?
Yeah.
Love that.
Last and final segment.
Yes!
What a day it's been, guys. Well, last and final segment is called a fantasy garage. So what happens here is we can choose one driver, we could choose one team, and maybe one track where you want to win the race.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you can create your small, teeny meeny F1 cute family.
Okay.
Go for
One driver, one track, and one team.
Yeah, one driver, one car also, meaning one team. And
The car can be from any era, right? Love that.
era, you just need to mention the car.
No, but
You need to mention
सबकी
a team.
cars अलग-अलग है ना अभी.
हाँ ठीक है चल, take the era.
I would say Max in a 2021 Red Bull in Spa. Pure cinema. pure. Or you know what? Leave everything. Max 2024. This is 2025, right? Yeah. Max 2024 Brazil Grand Prix. That's it.
I'd come back.
That's it.
I thought you'd take a different car.
Oh, I'll take a different car.
Yeah. No, I thought you would, but that's okay.
But
you didn't.
I mean, yeah. Oh, yeah. This was actually like a race that I liked the most. I don't think. Yeah. Let's just mix and match a little bit.
Yeah. So
right?
I was
Why
going to
don't you
say
start?
that I would take a maybe 2018-19 Lewis Hamilton at his prime
Mm-hmm.
in a Ferrari, any Ferrari.
Any Ferrari.
Yeah, any Ferrari. I think he'd make it work. He'd make it win because it was Lewis Hamilton at its peak.
Okay.
Or we take a Ferrari that was. Okay. So Lewis Hamilton in his prime, somewhere between 18, 19, 20, even 21. I
That's
think that
not
was a great
prime.
year.
Right. His
16.
OG prime is 2010.
But it was
His OG prime is 2016. Say
16.
2016.
Take it, chalo. A Lewis Hamilton in a 2016 Lewis Hamilton in his prime, strong young boy, in a Ferrari. Okay, and maybe he wins that championship.
एक रेस बोलना है.
Abu Dhabi Grand Prix.
Abu Dhabi Grand Prix.
Take it or leave it.
Abu Dhabi is such a boring track.
Because it is for
But
for
not-
that championship.
But not every race ends in Abu Dhabi, na?
But
Babu
it's
doll.
okay, na?
Okay.
I
yeah.
want him. In
Okay.
my view, I want him to finish it off, or it's
Whoa.
my vision.
He just wants to redo 2021 in a better.
Yeah.
Okay, I am gonna pick a 2021 Max Verstappen. Actually, Max has been the same throughout. Any Max Verstappen, he's equally like crazy. I would love to see what would Max do in Vettel's Red Bull, like a 2010 Red Bull. That'd be fun because I just don't see Max in a different team. You know, it's so hard to imagine him.
I could see him in a
McLaren.
Mercedes.
Like, nah, I don't want to give Max into it. If it was on me, I would keep Max in a Red Bull and make the Red Bull better, like a 2010, a 2011
Interesting
Red Bull.
choice.
And the race, let's just keep it his home Grand Prix. Actually, no, I love watching Max race on a rainy track, so I will
Does
still
he?
keep it Spa.
Oh, Spa, okay.
Spa. Yeah, Spa is extremely rainy all the time. So yeah, that's my.
What an end, guys. Yep.
Question? If you could build your own team, like a fantasy team, then who would be your top three? Like your team principal, your two drivers, and your team. And look at like how the team is performing, huh? Because
अरे
they are
but वही है
they
ना.
are- नहीं,
You either make the team perform,
नहीं, hear me out.
or
I'm
you
saying-
bring the people together to make that.
सुन तो ले मेरी बात, मेरा सवाल तो खत्म होने दे. I'm saying कि the reality of it stays. Like ऐसा नहीं होगा कि oh Ferrari will be crazy. Ferrari इस साल जैसा
ऐसा क्यों? अगर मैं सही टीम प्रिंसिपल लेके आऊँ यहाँ पे, maybe शायद things will change.
question.
Then that's not fun, na.
That's my question. Team principal, team. Because
Okay,
a-
I'll tell
a
you. I'll
team-
tell you. I'll
a
take it
team
again.
principal does not make a team.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, you can.
I would take a Ferrari as my team.
Again.
I would bring in a Toto Wolff there as a team principal. Okay.
Okay.
I would let Hamilton be there. That partnership continues in the Reds.
I think now you're happy because you got everything.
Yeah, I got everything.
You don't need a
second drive I don't need. I would go for Valtteri again. But I would like to see a Kimi Antonelli along with Lewis Hamilton
Okay, so Lewis, Kimi, Toto, and Ferrari.
in a Ferrari.
Interesting. Interesting.
That's a good one, I think. What's yours?
I would say Max, Piastri are my two drivers.
Two
It's over.
Alpha guys.
Over for everyone else.
In a Red Bull.
In a
McLaren.
my team principal would be Zach Brown,
And team?
and my team would be. I'm thinking. Wait, hold on.
I'm wondering which teams.
Yeah, I am thinking as well. I would keep them in a McLaren as to how McLaren is right now. If Max was in that McLaren this year, he would be like 800 points by now.
Yeah, he'd be flying there.
Yeah. So yeah, I think Max, Oscar. Actually, you know what? Max, Oscar, Fred Vasseur. in a
I like the previous one.
no, Zach, I feel Zach will kind of die. Like, Zach will kind of die upon the pressure from.
Fred also is not such a.
Fred is one of the oldest people who's been working. He was in Alfa Romeo before this. He's worked with Charles before. Charles
yeah, I know
was in
that.
Ferrari. I mean, who else is like a strong team? Oh, I
Don't say.
forgot. I am sorry.
say.
I am sorry.
I know you're going to say.
Max, Oscar,
Vowels.
James Vowles.
I knew it.
In a McLaren. That's my team.
Interesting, but interesting.
Who's gonna
She's
win
taken
if
3-4
my team and
chances.
your-
Full liberty
If
le
my
liya
team
usne.
and your team,
I think it's going to be a
Max,
tough
do you
one.
think
It's
is
going to be a
gonna
tough one.
win? Max is winning. What do you
Balls,
mean?
Max is winning. The fact that Hamilton and Toto have come back together, Hamilton
car
needs
is
to
still
worry.
the
It doesn't
shithole that
matter.
is a
They'll make
Ferrari.
it better.
How? By praying to
No,
God?
just by working the magic, dude. That's what you've done all this time.
It's not shakalaka boom boom, bro.
All right, guys, the banter will continue between us because we didn't have a race weekend. We thought of doing something fun. And Himika, as usual, has been a great sport. Thank you so much for coming in, Himika, once again.
Are you sure you're happy with me today?
Because I lost by a huge margin. But anyway.
Fine, we will not tell anyone the score. It's by the way 10-2. Yeah. So what this is gonna do is this is gonna make him do a little bit more research.
It's not about
And you know
research,
what?
man. It's
Being
about
very
listening.
honest,
It's about like.
you know what? Being very honest, guys, I am a nerd. So I mean, I don't think it's Talon's fault. Like I'm not saying I know more than everybody else, but yes, I have spent a lot of my time obsessing over the sport. So it is not just Talon. I mean, majority of the people and me would be hard in this situation. So let's give Talon the appreciation he deserves. Don't clap for yourself. Can you clap? No, it's okay. But yeah, I think now Stalin knows who he's dealing with. Ha ha ha. Next game. You have you have 1 week to prepare for our next thing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this because every race, like, yeah, we loved it, and every weekend we have so much to talk about the race. We don't really get to like do this as people, and I think the more our relationship gets better, the more our relationship with you also gets better. And thank you for all the 138 people who've subscribed. We really appreciate it. We're working very hard. We are having fun while we do it, but the whole point is that you guys have fun as well. And if that's happening, then that's all we need. And we're a small team, we're a small community right now, but I'm sure we can like make this bigger. But yeah, guys, this was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stalin has worked really hard to like make this proper sport thing, so I think you should clap for Stalin, and please send some love to Stalin in the comments so that he doesn't replace me by next weekend because he hates the fact that he lost.
That reminds me, you gotta call someone else.
Yeah, but having said that, we can always watch him try.
Thank you, guys.
But yeah, go guys, comment and let us know who do you agree more. I will not let go. Who do you agree more of about the first one, right? Which one was it? What was the first
you
thing?
can't. Jo ho
Yeah,
gaya, so ho
this kill marry hookup thing. Who do you agree more
even remember.
and who do you not?
It's
And
start one.
yeah, and we will
Bench
see
one,
you.
bench one.
And we will see you.
After the Canadian GP.
Bye.